Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got this Toyota Supra, which is part of a Fast and Furious set. It's part of Hotwheels Silver Series, and this one's the last car which was shown on the screen, which was driven by Paul Walker or Brian O'Connor in the movie. So it's kind of a end of the era for him car. And it kind of was showed in the last scene of the movie. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the Supra out of its box. Let's start from the front. Up front you've got some nice details, a detailed headlamp, Toyota badge, detailed grille. You see it's painted, so it looks nice. Also got the blacked out grille on the side and this hood. You can also see the turn indicators on both the sides, so good details there. The glass is tinted, so you can't really see inside, but I'm assuming it has interior because other Supras from Hotwheels does. Moving to the driver's side, you've got the 5-spoke wheels. You can also see the body kit on it, so you can see these are slightly flared outwards. Door handle, and you can see the turn indicator in the back. Let's move to the back. Again, good details here. You've got the detailed tail lamp, Toyota badge, Supra badge, and the Toyota written on the other side. You've got this big wing. You can also see the body kit here. And you can also see this twin exhaust at the bottom. Coming to the passenger side, it looks almost identical. The only difference I can see is this fuel filler cap. This is how it looks from the top. You can't really see inside because it's tinted. And if you're wondering why there are no mirrors on the side, because it's from 2012. It's just relaunched, repainted and relaunched in that set. Should you get it? Depends. If you're a fan of Fast and Furious movies, or if you're a fan of Supra, go ahead. Hot Wheels did a good job with it. I won't say it's an amazing casting. Obviously it messes around stuff which makes it look even better. But it's a good casting, has got some good details, and I think will make a good addition to your collection. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.